Welcome to the technologycloset.com and our quick shots. In this quick shot, we're going to demonstrate Sound Recorder. To get to Sound Recorder, right mouse click on the start screen, select All Apps, scroll over till you see Windows Accessories, and then select Sound Recorder. Now the Sound Recorder actually is a small application that will record your microphone, from your microphone, voice, music, etc. As you can see, there's a green bar at the top fluctuating with the sound of my voice. Let's demonstrate that. When we want to start a recording, click the Start Recording. When we're finished, it will change from start to stop and we'll stop the recording. Let's do that. When in the course of human events. It has now given us a dialog box to save the snippet of sound. In this case, we're going to leave it as untitled, but I'm going to save it to the desktop. It's going to save it as a Windows Media Audio file. That's the only file we can save to. We cannot save it as a WAV file or as a MP3 file. Let's select Save. Now we can close down Sound Recorder. I use a playback software called VLC. It defaults to that particular format. Let's open up that sound recording with VLC. When in the course of human events. As you can see, the playback was just as we recorded it. This is now something that you could send to another Windows user via email if it's small enough, and have your own video mail. Well, that concludes this quick shot. Please visit our website at www.thetechnologycloset.com and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time.